Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make 2 cactus room decoration ideas. I will be showing you how to make a cactus pillow and how to make this really simple cactus frame art idea. Let's get on with the video. I'm going to show you how to make the cactus pillow first. What you want to do first is that you want to draw out a cactus onto some fabric with a pencil. And make sure you draw the cactus bigger than what you want, because when you flip it inside out, later it will become smaller. You can make the cactus pillow out of any color or pattern that you want, and you can also make it any size that you want. After you're done drawing out your cactus, you want to cut it out. Once you're done cutting your cactus out, you want to trace around the cactus onto the fabric you're using to get a second cactus. Then you want to cut it out. Now you should have 2 pieces of fabric in the shape of a cactus. What you want to do now is that you want to place both of the right sides of the fabric on top of each other. Then you want to put pins around the edges of the fabric so they stay together. After you're done pinning the fabric together, you can sew it together with a sewing machine, or you can hand stitch the fabric together. If you don't want to sew the fabric, you can go ahead and glue the fabric together. Once you're done sewing the fabric together, you can flip it inside out. After you flip it inside out, you can put some pillow stuffing inside of it. When you're done stuffing it, you can fold the opening shut and pin it together, like how I did here. Then you can sew the opening shut. If you glued the pillow together, just fold the opening shut and glue the opening shut. When you're done sewing the opening shut, you can tie the thread you were sewing with in a knot. And then you want to cut off the extra thread, and you can take the pins out of the pillow. Now you want to take some yarn and cut a tiny piece of yarn. And then you want to tie the yarn into a knot so there's a knot in the middle of that piece of yarn. Then you can fold the yarn in half and trim the yarn if you need to. This will be for the spines of the cactus, and you can make as many of these as you want. When you're done making the spines, you can lay them out onto the pillow to see what you want the pillow to look like. When you like the layout of the spines, you can either glue on the spines or you can sew them on. Now I'm going to show you how to make this simple cactus frame art idea. The first thing you want to do is you want to trace the back of the frame onto a piece of paper that's any color with a pencil. Then you want to cut off the extra paper you don't need. And then you want to put the piece of paper into the frame. Once you get it into the frame, you can draw on your cactuses or your cacti onto the paper with a pencil. You can use the frame as a guideline so you know where to stop drawing. You can also make your drawing horizontal or vertical, and you can put as many cactuses that you want into the drawing. When you're done drawing your image, you want to take it out of the frame, and then you want to put a scrap piece of paper under the piece of paper that has your drawing, so you don't ruin your surface you're making this on, and you want to draw over what you drew with a permanent marker, or you can use any type of marker you have. After you're done with your drawing, you can erase any pencil markings that is on the paper, and then you can put it back into the frame. And that's how you make these cactus room decoration ideas. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these DIYs, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more DIYs. I will see you in the next video. Bye!